Could Apple be working on its thinnest iPhone yet? Leaks suggest that the company may introduce a new model called the iPhone 17 Air, replacing a Plus version in the upcoming lineup. If the rumors are true, this could be the slimmest iPhone Apple has ever made, possibly measuring just 5.5 millimeters in thickness, or even slightly less, according to some sources. A recently surfaced image, supposedly based on leaked CAD designs, compares a 3D printed model of the iPhone 17 Air with the iPhone 17 Pro, showing a dramatic difference in thickness. If accurate, the Air model could be nearly half as thick as the Pro version, making it one of the thinnest smartphones ever produced. While this new iPhone might be incredibly slim, it could also come with a larger display. Some leaks suggest that the iPhone 17 Air might feature a screen size of around 6.6 or 6.7 inches, making it larger than the base iPhone 17. This means that despite its thin profile, it wouldn't necessarily be a compact device. Apple may also be making some significant design changes. Several leaked CAD images suggest that the iPhone 17 Air could introduce a horizontal camera bar at the top, similar to what we see on Google's Pixel phones. If this rumor is accurate, the camera bump might add about 4 millimeters of extra thickness, slightly affecting the ultra-thin frame. One of the biggest concerns with ultra-thin phones is battery life. A slimmer design usually means a smaller battery, which can lead to reduced usage time. However, reports suggest that Apple may be working on new high-density energy cells for the iPhone 17 Air. If this technology works as expected, Apple could maintain strong battery performance while keeping the device's form factor as thin as possible. This could help the iPhone 17 Air stand out as not just a stylish device, but also a practical one. Apple is the only company reportedly developing an ultra-thin smartphone. Samsung is rumored to be working on the Galaxy S25 Edge, which could be a direct competitor to the iPhone 17 Air. While details are still scarce, this device may offer a similarly slim design with high-end specifications. If Samsung moves forward with this model, it could create strong competition in markets where both devices are available. As of now, Apple has not officially confirmed the existence of the iPhone 17 Air, and all the available information is based on leaks and speculation. However, if these reports are accurate, this model could bring a fresh look to the iPhone lineup. A thinner build, a larger screen, a redesigned camera system, and improved battery technology could make it one of the most exciting iPhones in years. That being said, it's important to approach these leaks with caution. Apple's final design and specifications will only be confirmed when the company makes an official announcement. As we get closer to September, more details are likely to emerge, either confirming or debunking these rumors. Would you want an ultra-thin iPhone, or do you think a slimmer design isn't worth the potential compromises? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.